I'm Austin Russo, founder of StyleCraft, and this is my wife, Nicole Russo, our education director.
Austin and I are here to tell you about a game-changing new product we think you'll absolutely love, our Triplex 3000 professional dryer. There's a reason why it's called tomorrow's dryer for today's stylist. Not only is the Triplex 3000 incredibly powerful, it's whisper quiet and weighs in at barely over a pound. You really can have the best of both worlds.
The Triplex 3000 features a 2,000-watt hybrid AC motor, combining supercharged performance and long life of your standard AC motor with the weightless feel and gentle hum of a rotary motor. Together with our Triplex Fusion technology, you can expect dramatically faster drying time and 3-in-1 protection from heat damage.
With 3 heat settings, variable speeds, and a cold shot button to lock in salon quality styling wherever you are, it couldn't be easier and more effective.
And don't forget about the 3 specialized attachments and luxurious travel bag. Included with the Triplex 3000, you'll find a collapsible professional diffuser, 2 concentrator nozzles, and our unbreakable hot rod professional hair pick.
The StyleCraft Universal Collapsible Diffuser is made using high-grade, heat-resistant silicone and offers a smart folding design that's perfect for easy storage and travel. The filter is even fully detachable for no-fuss cleaning and maintenance.
However, what truly separates it from other diffusers is the heat-activated infusion compartment that turns this diffuser into an infuser. Just place your favorite essential oil on the internal sponge and watch your hair shine like never before.
Our StyleCraft Universal Hot Rod Professional Hair Pick is nearly indestructible. While other picks are known to break, ours is crafted from unbreakable, life-proof nylon that lifts hair from the root to create unmatched volume.
The pick firmly connects to the dryer like a tight rubber band and is guaranteed to stay in place and never pop off. The aluminum hot rod bar activates from the heat of the dryer to help straighten and smooth even the thickest and coarsest hair.